you guys? Welcome back to another Savage Tail episode. So we are working back up on our Jeep. We're gonna go ahead and roll out this old frame. If you guys haven't checked out part one, go ahead and check that out, how we fully lift up the cab from the frame. So today we're gonna go ahead, roll this old frame out and get this engine, transmission, everything onto this old frame. We're gonna go ahead and flip onto our new one. So go ahead and get started.
You need some gas on.
Alright, you guys, as you guys can see, we have rolled out the engine, the transmission, the exhaust, the whole everything. We got everything onto this old frame. And now we're gonna go ahead and flip all this onto this new frame right here. Alright, you guys, as you guys can see, all we have left on this older frame is the transmission and the engine. We went ahead and swapped everything from this old frame onto this new one. Y'all can see we got the wheels, the whole suspension, exhaust. Swapped everything onto this new one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and lift this engine and with the transmission up with the tractor and set it on this new one right here.
Okay, you better just put someone say it's going to put them on board and come here. Good, here it comes. That's just up to you.
Alright, as you guys can see, we have swapped everything from this old frame onto this new one. All that's left is just the frame with this bumper cover. But we're gonna go ahead and grab a new one because you guys can see it's damaged. But there it is, you guys. The whole engine and transmission, whole engine and transmission swapped. But that's all we got for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna go ahead and finish bolting everything onto this new frame, and then we're just gonna go ahead and roll it under this body right here. And then in the next video, you guys will see how we connect the engine back onto the body, drop the body onto the new frame, and then from there, just gonna be doing light body work. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And that's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.